Hi, I'm Jackie and I'm from the Careers Centre at the University of Reading. I'm here to explain to you how to access our event, the Careers and Placements Fair, via the desktop. So firstly, the easiest way is to go to reading.ac.uk/careers and you're on our homepage. If you scroll down, you'll see the Careers and Placements Fair. Click there. And in this description, you'll get all the details about the event, but you'll also see in this first paragraph a link to Careers Fair Plus app. Now, if you're doing this on a desktop, it will open the desktop version. Your alternative is to copy and paste that into a browser on your device. Next, pick the Careers and Placements Fair. So here you can see all of the employers that are attending. Let's take a quick look at Austen Fraser. Hi, I'm Jackie from the University of Reading Careers Centre and I'm here to show you how to access our event, the Careers and Placements Fair, via your desktop. Firstly, type in reading.ac.uk/careers and this will take you to our homepage. If you scroll down a little bit, you'll see the Careers and Placements Fair. Open that. And here you've got all the details about the event, but you can also click and browse the Careers Fair Plus app. If you're on a desktop, this will take you to the desktop version. If you are on a device, then just copy and paste the link into your browser. Then click Careers and Placements Fair. And you can see all of the employers that are taking part. So let's take a look at Bakkavor. Here you will find a description of the employer, details of their website, and any other details that you might need to know about them. You'll also find at the top the ability to book an appointment. So you can see there's various appointment types set up with the employer with different recruiters. Let's take a look here. Now, at the moment, the booking window is not yet open. It opens on the 5th of October. So when it opens, you'll be able to select the time and just add in some details, including just setting up a simple profile so that the employer can ring you at the appropriate time. Some employers may have chosen video calls, and this will be indicated on the right where you can see the purple telephone. Okay, back to the main page. If you don't want to scroll through all 50 plus employers, you can filter them. So I'm going to filter by business area just to show you how this works. Let's filter by food. And you can see all the employers that are looking for food and technology students. They might, though, be looking for students from other disciplines. So just bear in mind that this is the area of business that they work in, but they may want all types of roles filled. The next thing you need to know is this area on the top right, My Fairs. So once you're logged in, it will say My Fairs, and you can click on there. If you've made any appointments, it will be here that you'll be able to see them. So I hope that's been useful. Do sign up soon and we'll be looking forward to seeing you all at the various webinars, the 12th to the 15th of October and the one-to-one chats on the 16th of October.